Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add page number format 1 of 2 in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first we have to open a Word document. Now we want to add page number format 1 of 2. Go to the insert menu. Then click page number option, then choose top of page. Then select plain numbers 2. Then write 1 of 2. Then click close header and footer. Now we can see here we add page number format 1 of 2, 2 of 2, 3 of 2 very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.